Hi everyone. In this screencast, I'm going to demonstrate how to get the link to a live event registration page and then how to test that page to make sure it's working. So of course your event page has already been created, and to get back to your page, you would go to Events on the menu, Manage Events, and then we'll find our event, and we're going to use our Climate Change Organizing Workshop event. And off to the right, you'll see there's an event link here. If I click on it, there's several things you can do. Most importantly, the event info is the link to the event landing page. So where you set up some description about the event, and then it will have that register button or whatever text you put on there. This registration live is a link to the actual, just the page that you're collecting the data. So it's just the sign up page, where you're collecting the name, email, things like that. I'm going to start with the event info just to show you what it looks like. And I'm just going to do a right click and just grab the link, copy the link. And this is the link you would share, in an email, on social media, on your website. I'm just going to open up another tab so you can see what it looks like. And I'm just going to paste that link in here. And you can see that it looks a little funny, right? Because we're logged in. And here's a menu. So this is not the place you want to test, because if you log in, it's always going to use your information. So I'm going to actually open up a private browser, a private window to test it. So you want to either have open up another browser, be in a private window, not be logged in to test. So I'm going to go over to my private window and I'm going to copy that link in here to test it. So this is what it would look like. And you can see the menu's not here. You may have your own organizational branding. I am going to test this now and just click on register now. And you can see here's the registration page, right? This is the registration info page. So here I'm just going to test it, and I'm going to just put again, you could use your real information. I like to know actually which one was the test record, so I am making it up. So now I'm done with that. I'm going to click register and see what happens next. Great. I've registered successfully. And you can see this is just the landing page. And if you would set up your event to send an email for confirmation, they would get an email. Clearly, I'm not going to get one because it's fake. But here I can see it's worked. And now I'm going to go back to the database and see what has happened there. I'm going to go back to the database. I'm going to go back to my manage events and make sure that my record has shown up. So basically, you can go back to events, manage events, and then you can find your event. I'm going to go to participants to see. I'm going to take a look at this registered area, and there I am. I've registered. There's Alice Test, and now I can be assured that my page is working.